Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your garage door not closing with myQ. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just installed myQ and connected to your garage. What are some of the reasons in which it won't close? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. And so the first reason why your garage door might not close is that, in my experience, every time I'm leaving my house and I'm trying to close my garage with myQ, and let's say that I'm slowly backing up from my driveway, sometimes the Wi-Fi gets disconnected. So my recommendation is that you actually turn off your Wi-Fi like this, make sure that you're connected to data, and then close your garage that way. A lot of the times when I'm reversing in my driveway, it'll kind of be like the signal gets lost in the process in which I'm actually clicking my garage opener to actually close. So first is disconnect from your Wi-Fi, connect via your phone's data, and then close your garage. The second reason why your myQ garage may not be closing is because there might be something blocking the way. Maybe your trash can wasn't fully pushed in. Maybe there's an object that fell off your shelf and it's now blocking the sensor. That's another reason why your garage door may not close with myQ. Now, the third reason why your garage may not close with myQ is because this has only happened to me like a couple of times where the sunlight is directly hitting the sensor, so it thinks that there's something in the way. That'll be the third reason why your myQ garage isn't closing. And so that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix your garage door not closing with myQ. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.